Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Volvo has recently released new photos of the EX30, giving us the most detailed look at the vehicle so far, especially its interior. These photos offer a glimpse of the exterior design, which has already been revealed in patent images as well as the interior. In one of the photos, we can see a portion of the front end, showcasing the reinterpreted Thor's hammer headlight signature with multi-element LED lights, reminiscent of the larger Volvo EX90. This photo also highlights the pronounced curvature of the front hood and fenders, adding to the vehicle's distinctive appearance. Another photo provides the best view yet of the EX30's rear end, revealing the taillight signature composed of multi-segment LED lights, a sleek roofline resulting in a narrow rear window, a prominent roof spoiler, and C-pillars that create a stylish floating roof effect. Moving inside, the Volvo EX30 embodies the minimalist and inviting Scandinavian design philosophy. The dashboard takes center stage with a 12.3-inch portrait-style display, while a unique soundbar spans the upper portion of the dash under the windshield, a pioneering feature in a car. Inspired by home audio systems, the soundbar combines multiple speakers into one unit and can be paired with the optional Harman Kardon high-end sound system, delivering exceptional audio quality, according to Volvo. This design choice has also allowed Volvo to remove the speakers from the doors, resulting in more storage space. Additionally, the window switches have been relocated to the center console. Another noteworthy decision is the repositioning of the glove compartment beneath the center screen, providing easy access and creating a roomier feel thanks to the flat floor. Volvo emphasizes the exceptional versatility of the center console, equipped with a sliding system that enables passengers to customize the space according to their needs. For instance, the cup holder can be slid out to hold a latte or smartphone, or pushed back to create more storage room. The lower tunnel offers a protected storage area for small items like sunglasses or earpods, while an extendable box provides additional storage above it. The 12.3-inch center screen serves as a centralized hub for key driving information such as speed, charge levels, navigation, media, and controls. Notably, there is no traditional instrument panel behind the steering wheel, although a head-up display system seems to be present. The infotainment system of the Volvo EX30 is powered by Qualcomm Technologies' Snapdragon cockpit platforms and incorporates Google's built-in features, including hands-free assistance from Google Assistant, Google Maps navigation, and access to Google Play apps. Additionally, wireless Apple CarPlay functionality is offered, marking a first for Volvo vehicles. Volvo highlights the use of new materials like denim, flax, and wool, as well as various textures and colors in the EX30's interior. Customers will have the opportunity to choose from 4 distinct interior rooms, adding a personal touch to their driving experience. The highly anticipated 2024 Volvo EX30 will be fully revealed on June 7th, with selected markets offering the option to order or pre-order the vehicle on the same day. Get ready to embark on a new era of electric driving with the Volvo EX30. Thank you for watching.